Welcome to my channel Voice of Sanskrit in Ayurveda. In this video I am going to explain second chapter Vaidika Super Sahitya, that is Vaidika Samhita Vijnaniyam. In this chapter it is explained the importance of study of Samhitas in the study of Ayurveda. If you like my video, please subscribe it, like it, comment it, press bell icon. Second chapter of Vaidika Subha Sahitya, that is Vaidika Samhita Vijnaniyam. Vaidika Samhita. In this chapter it is told that each and every Ayurveda Vaidya must and should know knowledge of each and every Samhitas written by our great Acharyas Parashara, Harita, Shushruta, Charaka, Vagbhata, Sharngadhara, etc. etc. In that, the first shloka, that is Atha Maitri Paraha Punyam Ayurvedam Punarvasuhu Shishebhyo Dattavan Shadbhya Sarvabhuta Anukampaya Agniveshascha Belascha Jatu Karnaha Parasharaha Haritah Ksharapanishcha Jagruhu Tatmunervachaha. Reference Sharaka. This shloka it is explains about Punarvasu Atreya taught the Ayurveda to his 6 disciples. It is told that Atha Maitri Varaha friendly Atha Maitri Varaha friendly Sarvabhuta Anukampaya, having compassion on all living creatures. Punyam Ayurvedam, Punyatam Ayurveda, who Punarvasu taught the knowledge of sacred Ayurveda to his 6 disciples, Agnivesha, Bela, Jatukarna, Parashara, Harita and Ksharapane. Jagruhu Tatmunervachaha. They acquired it eagerly. All these 6 disciples heard the knowledge of Ayurveda eagerly. They heard the vachana of the great sage, that is Punarvasu Atreya. From where Punarvasu Atreya got the knowledge of Ayurveda? You know, all of you know the Ayurveda Avatarana. In that, from the Brahma to Daksha Prajapati to Ashwini Kumara to Indra to Bharadwaja, from the Bharadwaja to Atreya Punarvasu. What happened in this? It is told that people of this Bhuloka suffering from the Roga, Rujina, so they cannot perform their Adhyayana, Adhyapana, Tapaha, etc. etc. So they were all suffering from the Roga. So all the rishis, they gathered together in the valley of Himalaya. It is maybe the first medical conference in the history of this world. What they were discussing in that meeting? It is all the rishis, Bhrugu, Angirasa, Atreya, so many rishis, they were all gathered together and they were thinking that Dharmartha Kama Mokshanam Arogyam Moolam Uttamam. For the Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha, Arogya is the main. If Arogya is lost, everything is lost. So they were thinking, they were discussion is going on, all these rishis, and they were coming in that their meeting, they were coming to the conclusion that Lord Indra know the remedy for this. So in that meeting itself, they were, who is ready to go to Indra, near the Indra? They unanimously selected the Bharadwaja to agree to go to Indraloka. Then, afterwards, going to the Indraloka, Bharadwaja telling to the Indra that all the people of this Bhuloka suffering from the Roga, Rujina, they can't perform their Adhyayana, Adhyapana. Is there any remedy for this? Indra also accepted him as his Shishya, his disciple. He agreed to, he told that for this in Ayurveda there is remedies. I will teach you the Punyatama Ayurveda, sacred Ayurveda. It is having the remedy for this, in this. So you have to get the knowledge of Ayurveda. So Bharadwaja, he agreed to get the knowledge of Ayurveda. Indra also accept him as a Shishya, and afterwards they were Indra taught the sacred Ayurveda its six Bhedas, that is Kaya Balagraha Urdhvanga Shalyadamsha Jaravrishan Ashtavangani Tasyahu Chikisayeshu Samshritaha. So all these Ashta Angas he taught very well explained by Indra to the Bharadwaja. After receiving the knowledge from the Indra, once again Bharadwaja, he himself, he is not settled down in the Indraloka itself. He is not opened his clinic or not he built any medical hospital over there. He came back to once again Bhuloka, and he gave the knowledge of, he taught the knowledge of Ayurveda to the Atreya Punarvasu. After getting the knowledge from the Atreya Punarvasu, he gave the knowledge of Ayurveda to six disciples. They were Agnivesha, Bela, Jatukarna, Harita, Parashara, and Ksharapani. Okay. Atha Maitri Paraha Punyam Ayurvedam Punarvasuhu Shishebhyo Dattavan Shadbhya Sarvabhuta Anukampaya. The next shloka explains about among these six disciples who is famous, who is more brilliant one. He Punarvasu Atreya gave the knowledge of, taught all these disciples equally. In that, who grasped first? Who is most buddhivantavan? It is told that buddhehe vishesha tatra astino upadeshantaram munehe tantrasyasya karta pratamah agnivesho yata abhavat. What it is told that buddhi, because even though Punarvasu taught all his disciples equally, Agnivesha being more intelligent and grasped the knowledge quickly and wrote first treatise, that is Agnivesha Samhita. That Agnivesha Samhita itself, it is once again redacted by Charaka, and he gave his own name for that treatise. That Shastra Samhita is known as Charaka Samhita. So in this shloka it is told that the Agnivesha, he is more intelligent one, buddhivanta. So first he wrote. The other rishis also, the other sages also wrote their own granthas, but first grantha written by Agnivesha itself. Okay. Coming to the next shloka, Charakah Shushrutaschaiva Vagbhatascha Tatha Aparaha Mukhyascha Samhita Vachyaha Tisra Eva Yuge Yuge. So in this shloka it is told that in all the yuga, Charaka, Shushruta and Vagbhatakrita granthas were considered as main samhitas in all the yuga. All the yuga means how many yugas are there? Do you know? I hope all of you know how many yugas are there. How many yugas? Krita Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga and Kali Yuga. In this shloka it is told that in all the yuga Charaka, Shushruta and Vagbhata Krita Granthas were considered as the main and supreme. Means what? It is told that in the Krita Yuga Charaka Samhita is Shrestha, in the Dwapara Yuga Shushruta Samhita is Shrestha, in the Kali Yuga Vagbhata Krita Astanga Sangraha or Hridaya were said to be very famous and precious one. Coming to the next shloka. अग्निवेशकृते तन्त्रे चरकप्रतिसंस्कृते यदि हास्ति तदन्यत्र यन्नेहास्ति न तत्क्वचित् अग्निवेशकृते तन्त्रे चरकप्रतिसंस्कृते यदि हास्ति तदन्यत्र यन्नेहास्ति न तत्क्वचित्. This shloka written by Dridabala. All of you know Dridabala completed the last sthanas, Siddhisthana, Kalpasthana plus last chapters of Chikitsasthana, I hope. Agnivesh krite tantre charaka pratisamskrite yadi hasti tadanyatra yanne hasti natat kvachit. Agnivesh Samhita was redacted by Charaka. That is why it is told that yadi hasti tadanyatra yanne hasti natat kvachit. What is there in this grantha? The knowledge which is found in this treatise can be found everywhere, and which is not available in this grantha can't be found elsewhere. Means what? Each and everything that which is present in this tantra, that is Agnivesha Tantra. Agnivesha Krite Tantre Charaka Pratisamskrite Yadi Hasti Tadanyatra Yanne Hasti Natat Kvachit. Means what? It is told that the Agnivesha Samhita redacted by the Charaka, hence the knowledge which is found in this treatise can be found everywhere, and which is not available in this book can't be found elsewhere. Means what? The book written by the Agnivesha, redacted by the Charaka, that is known as Charaka Samhita. Each and everything is present in this Charaka Samhita. Each and everyone go through this grantha, that is Charaka Samhita. It is told that Agnivesha Krite Tantre Charaka Pratisamskrite Yadi Hasti Tadanyatra Yanne Hasti Natat Kvachit. So in this chapter you have to study the important shloka. That is, one is the first shloka. Once again I am reading the important shlokas of this chapter. अथा मैत्री परः पुण्यम आयुर्वेदं पुनर्वसु शिष्येभ्यो दत्तवान् षड्भ्यः सर्वभूतानुकम्पया अग्निवेशश्च बेळश्च जतुकर्णः पराशरः हारीतः क्षारपाणिश्च जगृहुः तन्मुनेर्वचः. Then Agnivesha Krite Tantre Charaka Pratisamskrite Yadi Hasti Tadanyatra Yanne Hasti Natat Kvachit. Both these shlokas are very very important shlokas. You have to study, and in this Shadbhya Shishyaha is very very important for 5 marks question. Also you have to study. So the remaining shlokas I will be going to explain in my next video. If you like my video, please subscribe it, like it, comment it, press bell icon for latest video. Jayatu Samskrita Bhasha, Jayatu Ayurveda Shastra. Shubhamastu.